Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can turn on and off substitute in eFootball. So it's pretty simple. You want to click on game plan at the bottom of your screen. From inside game plan, you can see your team's logo at the left corner of the screen. Click on it. From over here, you want to click automatic match support. Click on it. From over here, you will see the option called substitution. My substitution is off, so to turn it on, I need to click on substitution and choose any three of this option. Now if I click on very late, my substitution will be done at the late part of the game, which means after 70 minutes. If I click on flexible, basically the substitution is going to be made in any time of the game. It could be made in 30 minutes or in 70 or 90 at any moment of the game. If I click on very early, my substitution are going to be done in the very early stage of the game, which means in 30, 45 or a 60-minute range. So that is how we guys can turn on your substitution in eFootball. To turn it off, you can just choose off and click on done. And if you choose your substitution off, you need to do custom substitution in the middle of the game yourself. I hope you understand how we guys can turn on and off substitution in eFootball. If you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel how to guide for future videos like this. I'll see you guys next time.